Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your controller not working with your PlayStation 5 games, but it works on the home screen. So what you could do is try manually turning off your controller. So if you still have the option to press the PlayStation one, go on down to where it says accessories and then just go to your controller and go to where it says turn off. And then just turn on your controller and see if this works. Now another thing that we could try is holding down the PlayStation button. So we have our controller right here, hold down the PlayStation button, and after about 10 seconds, our controller is going to go ahead and just manually turn off. So I'm holding it down, and the light on the light bar will turn off now. Boom. All I have to do is press the PlayStation button now to turn it back on. Then also, on the back of the controller, there is a small hole right here. We can use like a toothpick or something like that, and we can just press that down, and that is going to reset the controller as well. So if we go back to our PlayStation now, if all those things don't work, we can go up to settings, scroll on down to where it says accessories, go to general, go to the right, and go to Bluetooth accessories. And go to your controller and go to delete. If you delete it, this is going to remove it from your PlayStation 5 and you'll have to reconnect it with a USB cable. Otherwise, if you have your TV remote laying around, you could try going down to where it says accessories found, and your controller will show up under there if you put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode by holding down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Just make sure the controller is turned off when you do this first. So just hold down that middle button and it should put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode and it should show up under accessories found. But most of the time when I do that, I reconnect it with a USB cable. Everything works good, or if I just simply turn it off. But you could also try turning off your PlayStation 5 completely by going to turn off and then unplug it from the power outlet for at least 1 minute and plug everything back in. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.